Teacher Education Program is the next scheme. Teacher Education Program is a centrally sponsored scheme launched by the Ministry of HRD in 1987 for restructuring and reorganizing of teacher education in India. The aim of this scheme is to create a sound institutional infrastructure for pre-service and in-service training of elementary and secondary schools teachers and for the provision of academic resource support to elementary and secondary schools. So, the aim of teacher education program is, first of all, you have to have a good infrastructure, a sound institutional infrastructure for the teachers who are teaching in elementary school levels as well as secondary class levels for before their service as well as when they are in service. So that is pre-service and in-service training of elementary and secondary school teachers, and for the provision of, and also they should be provided with various academic resource support, various materials of how to teach or what portions to teach, what are the things to be taught, all those things you have to give them academic resources also for these teachers. This was the main aim or goal of teacher education program. So now what are the components under teacher education program? First is DIET, that is setting up of district institutes of education and training. DIET, DIET stands for District Institutes of Education and Training. DIETs. Second is Diksha Portal and third is Prashikshak Portal. We'll be seeing what is Diksha Portal and what is Prashikshak Portal. So Diksha Portal is actually a digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing. So Diksha is an acronym. You can expand it to digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing. Okay, Diksha. It was launched by the government in 2017. So Diksha Portal, Diksha Portal was launched by the government in 2017. It will accelerate. What will it do? The Diksha Portal, it will accelerate and amplify solutions, experiments and innovations that are underway which are attempted in areas of teacher training and professional development of teachers. So for the purpose of training the teachers and for the professional development of teachers, whatever experiments or innovations are being done or whatever are underway, these will all be accelerated and amplified. It will equip teachers across a nation with advanced digital technologies and aid them to learn and train themselves. So without an external aid, maybe using this portal, the teachers can learn various things by themselves. They can train themselves without an aid, external aid, by using this portal, by using the digital technologies. That is why Diksha Portal has been created. Now the different states and the teacher education institutions, they have the autonomy and the choice to repurpose and extend the Diksha to suit their own needs and purposes. Who are the target beneficiaries who can use the Diksha, this facility? Teachers in schools, teacher educators, those who are educating the teachers, then student teachers, that is those teachers who are taking training in the teacher education institutes. These all people can access the Diksha Portal. The tagline itself for the Diksha Portal is National Digital Infrastructure for Our Heroes, which are teachers. This is the tagline. So keep a note that the tagline of the Diksha Portal is National Digital Infrastructure for Our Heroes. Next is Prashikshak Portal. Okay. Next we have is Prashikshak Portal. Okay. The Prashikshak Portal is again, it's an online portal, teacher education portal. It's a teacher education portal that was launched in 2016. With a vision to strengthen the district institutes of education and training, DIETs, and bring quality teachers into the Indian school education system. How does it ensure that? The Prashikshak Portal contains a comprehensive database of all DIETs in the country with all relevant performance indicators. So this will help in real-time monitoring of the institutions. It gives an opportunity for the central government as well as the state governments to do a real-time monitoring of the teacher diet institutions. So this Prashikshak portal was established through a joint collaboration between the MHRD, that is Ministry of Human Resource and Development, and the Central Square Foundation. Central Square Foundation is a policy think tank focused on improving the quality of school education. Okay, so what are the benefits of this Prashikshak portal? One is that it will enable the state governments and central governments to make to do real-time monitoring of the institutions. Then this Prashikshak portal will define quality benchmarks, and will help the diets to make informed decisions about their institutes, because even if you're able to analyze their performance standard, where you stand among a list of other institutes, then we can rectify the mistake and make decisions about our institutes. So next is we can compare the performance of the institutes against other diets in the country, and also we can help the aspiring teachers in decision making. They can choose the best district institutes of education and training for getting training based on the benchmark standards. They can also make informed decisions. So this is about the Prashikshak portal, and this is about teacher education program, which is a sub program under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. In total, so the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan was an umbrella scheme, that is integrated school education program, under which we had Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, and teacher education program. So teacher education program has been covered in this video, and the various other initiatives under the teacher education program were setting up of diets, Diksha portal, and Prashikshak portal.